Hi there. Today we will be learning how to set up your wallet in TwoShip. Within your configuration panel, you can set up your wallet and add your credit card for shipping needs. To get started, select the Open option. This takes you straight to your wallet setup. In the wallet setup, you can add your credit card to pay for any shipments you create in TwoShip. At the bottom, you can manage payment profiles for both monthly invoices and your shipping wallet. Just select Add New Payment Profile. You'll be prompted to enter your credit card details, including the expiration date and CVV. For security and privacy, your credit card info isn't stored. You only need to set this up once unless your card expires. Next, enter the exact billing information for the card you're adding. Be sure to read this note carefully and select Agree. Then you can save your credit card setup. If you want to make this your default payment profile, just set it to Yes and hit Save. Now, your credit card is saved. Every time you process a shipment, you won't need to enter your card details again. Your card info stays on file, so that's one less thing to worry about. When your credit card is set up, you're charged each time you process a shipment. If you prefer, you can add money directly to your wallet. The wallet holds your shipping funds, and it's charged for every shipment. You can make manual deposits to your wallet or choose auto deposit. Auto deposit means you don't have to add funds every time. You can set the deposit amount based on your saved credit card. For example, you might want to always keep $500 in your wallet. Set a threshold amount. For instance, if you set it at $50, every time your wallet balance drops below $50, the system will automatically charge your card for another $500 to add to your wallet. You'll get an email with an invoice every time this happens. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, you can reach out using the Live Help online button or send an email to support@twoship.com. Thanks for watching.